There's severe weather, guys. The sirens just went off. Is that a... Yeah, we're probably about in the red. The worst part. I'll turn the shelter... That's my tornado shelter, everybody. I'll turn that off to see outside a little better. Is that hail? Yeah, it is hail. Yep. Should I open the door? Uh-oh. The wind is strong. The wind was blowing hard. Scared me to death. No, we're in the worst of it. We're about past the worst of it. We're looking more toward the south. There was a tornado warning in Mansfield a few minutes ago. And, yeah, it's about died down. Wonder how it looks like outside. I'm gonna open the door again to make sure that it's not. No, not that much anymore. The wind was strong though. Uh-oh, I heard the wind. Okay guys, it's morning and the clouds are clearing up. So you can see, so this line of storms moved east, and to the west it's clearing up and it's becoming cloudless. And you can see to the east are where the storms are. And it's dark over there. Alright, I'm gonna go. Bye.